Well, it's the 16th and it's Thursday, and what we're doing now is finishing up the back bar in the front garage. I just wanted to show you what it looks like when it's almost clean, and it's kind of an interesting thing. And Andreas has been doing some very good work there, but he's been very depressed today.
This place is to die for.
This is what it is, ladies and gentlemen, is we found a bunch of guns that I had. These are movie guns that actually are non-functional, but they're beautiful. They're match set. They shoot BBs, those two. That set. The other one doesn't do a thing, just you go bang, bang. But look at the knife. That's how you, oh my God, that's how they do it. So just thought we'd show you that. Also, found that I had this, I keep finding things, it's been too much junk. I found I had this piece, which is from 1941, 42. This was a training rifle. They didn't have real ones, and it's all wood. And it's a little pipe. It's a beautiful thing, and it's in absolute mint condition. Anyhow, this is all the crap. Now we're getting ready. Now the floor goes tomorrow. We start on the floor tomorrow. And look at this crazy thing. Battery operated. Isn't that something? Now somebody out there has got a Rolls Royce wants a bump one that's a gray. It's a Cloud 1 or 2. Silver Cloud, I guess, just a Silver Cloud 1. So anyway, we're just showing you some of the crazy stuff that we've been doing. We're throwing away a lot of stuff, and some of it's good, some of it's bad, but it's all interesting. See ya.
Wait, show this.
Oh, sorry. This is another piece that we found. Somebody out there must have a Japanese gun from World War II. This is the case for it, the hard case. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. So anybody interested, let me know.